Assalamualaikum, and my name is Nur Alessa binti Muhammad Rafi, number metric s56120. I would like to present my individual assignment for subject IoT computer. For the introduction, the first is developing an off application can skip the queues and save time for the customer and also the staff of Jom Makan Cafe. Second, the customer can easily order the food just using the mobile phone by scanning the QR code. After that, the Jom Makan Cafe can manage the management nicely and also can reduce the manual work for the staff. And the last one is the status can be updated by the staff of Jom Makan Cafe. Okay, for the objective, the first one is to study the requirements, the application of Jom Makan Cafe. Second is to study an interface for mobile application in food ordering system. And last but not least, to develop an application that able to manage the cafe systematically. Okay, for the problem statement, first, the management of the cafe is not well managed and systematic. Second, the staff take orders by writing down the list order on the paper. Third, the customer have to wait a longer time to make an order and must follow the turn. Fourth, the staff may take more time to preparing the meals and taking the orders. Last but not least, the service of the cafe late because of the manual process that employed in ordering food and management of the cafe. Okay, for the proper solution, the staff can check the availability of the table for the customer on the dashboard using the mobile device that have provided by the manager of Jom Makan Cafe. Second, the customer can make an order by scan the QR code that have provided on the table and submit the order through their mobile phone. And next is the staff can update the status of the food prepared for the respective table of the customer. And the Jom Makan Cafe also will manage the management nicely and efficiently with the application. And last but not least, the mobile application is built to easier for the customer of making an order. Okay, for the methodology, first run the application of Jom Makan Cafe and the cashier will check the availability table for the customer. The cashier will update the status of the table once the customer get the table. Okay, after the customer get their table, the customer will scan the QR code to view the menu and the customer can make an order by using their mobile phone, and then the chef will prepare the meal and update the status. After that, the customer will make the payment and the status also will be changed. And after the cleaning process, the status can be updated. Okay, this is the flowchart for this project. First, we will start with the check availability table for the customer, and then the cashier will help the customer to get the table. After the customer get the table, the cashier will update status to wait for order status from available. And after that, the customer will scan the QR code that have provided on the table. And after that, the customer will select the menu and make an order. After the customer make an order, the status will change automatically to order. And then after the customer make an order, the chef will get the order and the chef will update status to in progress. And after the chef finish preparing food, the update status will change to ready to serve. And after the food were served by the waiter, the status will be updated to serve. And then the customer will get ordering ordering food. And then after that, the customer will make a payment after finishing their meal. and then the status will be updated to the housekeeping, and then after that, the staff of the Jom Makan Cafe will clean the table, and then the status will change to available. Okay, for the conclusion, it allows the staff to manage the order on the dashboard of the application. Next, allow the users to make an order by scanning QR code of their mobile phone. And next is, it also allow the staff update the status of the table by using mobile device. The MIT app inventor can save more time and make the service in Jom Makan Cafe more systematic. The application of Jom Makan Cafe can be managed and control the management nicely. Okay, the last one is for the system demonstration. Okay, first we must run the application on server using command prompt to get the link, and automatically the file will be created. This is the file that must have, and the HTML file must be in the template. Okay, for the HTML coding, we have base.html, and then dashboard HTML, and this is the coding. And we also must have the index.html, order accepted.html, order new HTML, order not allowed HTML, tables.html, and tables complete.html. Okay, this is the MIT inventor, and we must design the interface of the designer of the Jom Makan Cafe. This is the table, and then this is the status of the table. Okay, the blocks we must setting like this. Alright. Okay, first we must connect the AI companion with the phone with the same Wi-Fi connection, and scan the QR code. Okay, this interface will pop up in the phone screen, and then go to the dashboard. This link we will provide from the command prompt, and when we take the for example, the customer want table A, and then the status we change to wait for order, and then we must refresh to the dashboard, and then it will pop up as the wait for order. And then, for example, there is a customer enter to the cafe. They get the table E, and then wait for order, and then refresh, and table E is wait for order. The output will be pop up like this in the phone screen. Okay, the customer can scan the QR code, and the menu will pop up on the screen for table A. Okay, after choose the menu, click place order and dashboard, and it will pop up your order on the dashboard of your phone. Okay, this is the output in the dashboard. When the status of the table A were changed in the screen phone, the dashboard also changed the status. When click the ready to serve, the dashboard also ready to serve, and then in the screen phone, click the serve. Also, the dashboard change to serve status. When to click the housekeeping, and the dashboard also change to housekeeping. Thank you for listening.